So how do you export Keynote from the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you are working with your files like this, you can be inside of the Keynote app. Obviously, when you just leave the app, it will be saved on your iPad. It's not like you are losing it, but in order to export it, click on the share button like that, like this, right? And make sure that you have the option there to export and send, right? So this is what it looks like. Make sure to tap on it, and this is the export process where you get to pick the format, right? So a lot of people go with the PDF format. That's really useful. You can of course go with the PowerPoint. That's like obviously going to be available to be read by all of the other presentation apps, but you can see plenty of other apps or options in here as well. So you can just decide which way you want to export it. But at the end of the day, let's say I'm going to pick the PDF. I'm going to tap on export. It will be done. And I then have to decide where it's going to be put, right? So I can share it with some of the apps right here, like with the mail app or whatever. But in my case, I think or believe that the best way would be to just click on a save to files, and the file will be exported in that particular format and is saved in my files app, so I can do whatever I want with it. So it's going to be just sitting there for me to use in any manner I decide. So that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.